Today I am going to show you how to make Kaju Katli. It's very simple, very easy and very delicious recipe. And all the kids and adults, everyone loves to eat this Kaju Katli. So let's get started how to make it. We are going to make Kaju Katli. It is a very famous sweet in India. And it's a favorite for kids, adults and everyone. So we need cashews. I'm taking 2 cups of cashews. I measured with this cup, and 1 cup of sugar, some butter, milk, and rose petals, cardamom powder, and silver leaves, which I am going to decorate the sweet. First, we are going to take these cashews and we are going to make it into fine powder. We are going to sieve this so that there are no lumps in it or it's not coarse. So we want it to make sure that it is fine powder. This is how we made into fine powder. Now the next process I am going to show you. We have the pan on the stove. We have added 1 cup of sugar into the pan. We added for 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water. We have to keep stirring it so that it won't get burnt. So the sugar nicely dissolve in it and we'll get into a nice thick consistency, which we are going to show you. Look at it, it's boiling but it's not yet done. So we are going to show when it's ready for the cashew powder to go into the sugar syrup. This is how the sugar syrup should come. Do you see like a string thing? So that is how we know that the sugar is done, the syrup is done. Now we are going to add the cashew powder into the sugar syrup little by little and we are going to stir it. This is how we are going to keep stirring the cashew powder with the sugar syrup so that it don't get burned. But we have to keep in mind that it's going to be on medium flame. Add a pinch of cardamom powder. We have to keep stirring it continuously so that it gets into a thick paste. It becomes thick into thick consistency. We added 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, ghee. We added ghee, right? So we have to keep the flame in low flame and keep stirring. We'll add some milk to it. Maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of milk, that's it, not too much. Now look at how thick it became. Now I think it's done. We are going to turn off the stove and let it cool down for some time. Look at the consistency, how hard it is. This is how it should be. Now we are going to put it on this cardboard and we are going to knead the dough. We will make it a soft dough. This is how we have to make into a soft dough. See, this is how we have to do it. So look at the dough, how soft it became. So now we are going to put it on a plate and then we are going to cut it into desired shapes. This is how we spread the whole dough into a thin layer, which is half centimeter thick, so that we can make it into desired shape. Now with the knife, he's going to shape into a square type thing or rectangle so that we can cut into diagonal shapes. This is how we spread the whole dough, and now we are going to, we are not going to cut it now, we are going to keep it aside for at least for 1 hour or 30 to 1 hour and then we will cut it. So if you try to cut it now, it's not going to come out good. This is how we are going to put the silver leaves on the sweet. It's a decoration item, you can decorate it. It's optional. If you want, you can keep it. If not, you don't want to, you don't have to use it. It's optional. So we have to be very careful while putting the silver foil. That is how you put it. Now we added few rose petals on it. Now it looks beautiful. So we press it and after that we are going to press that rose petals with the same paper, silver leaves paper. So just press it. See, this is how we have decorated with the silver leaves and some rose petals. So now we have to set it aside at least for 30 to 1 hour, and then we have to cut into the desired shape. So we'll come back after 1 hour and see. This is how we cut all the pieces, rest of the dough, the thing, into diagonal shapes. So if you cut in the cross, you'll get the diagonal shape.
This is the diagonal shape.
Look how beautiful we have cut into diagonal shape the pieces. Now we are going to serve them in a plate, and I'm going to show you. Look at this Kaju Katli, how beautiful it is looking. I know that this is the very healthiest and delicious sweet. I hope you guys enjoy it. Look at them. They are very delicious and very healthy. I'm going to enjoy my Rakhi with these delicious sweets. They are homemade. I'm going to send them to my brother. And happy Rakhi for all the brothers and sisters. Okay, enjoy your Rakhi. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video. Bye-bye.